name is Muhammad Shazrul bin Muhammad Sani. My number is DKM4C. Today I want to present about title of video, pump or other that relate with mechanical component. A pump is a device that moves fluid, liquid or gas, or sometimes flourished by mechanical action. Typically convert from electrical energy into hydraulic energy. Pump can be classified into three major groups according to the method they used to move the fluid: direct lift, displacement, and gravity pump. Problem of equipment, machine, and vehicles. First, cavitation. Cavitation is the result of insufficient pressure at the suction end of the pump or net positive suction head available, causing the liquid in a pump to turn into vapor at the low pressure. At low pressure, this creates air bubbles which implode as the liquid moves from the suction side of the impeller to the delivery side. Second is corrosion. Corrosion in pump is the result of a chemical reaction between the metal the fluid being pumped. This reaction can cause uniform corrosion of the wet surface, found mostly in pump made from non-stainless steel material, or localizes corrosion of a small portion of the components. Occurring most commonly were metals that form oxide layers that adhere to and preserve the surface. Metal is wear. Wear is inevitable when running a pump. However, there are a few factors that can cause excessive wear, speeding up deterioration of the pump. Particulate matter in the pump fluid can lead not only falling but also increase the pace of wear on a pump.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faisal Hakimi with Muhammad Faizul, and I'm from DKM4C. So now I will tell you about the cause of the problem.
Okay, first, cavitation and the related problems it causes and greatly impact the life of a pump, reducing it by 10 to 15 years, or even more in extreme cases. Cavitation occurs when the liquid in a pump turns to a vapor at a low pressure. It occurs because there is not enough pressure at the section in the end of the pump, or insufficient net positive suction head available, NPSHA. Okay, second, this reaction can cause uniform corrosion of the wet surfaces, found mostly in pump made from non-stainless steel materials, or localized corrosion of a small portion of the components, occurring most commonly where metals that form oxide layers that adhere to and preserve the surface. Okay, last, there are a few factors that can cause excessive wear, speeding up deterioration of the pump. Particulate matter in the pump fluid can lead not only to falling but also increases the pace of wear on the pump. Wear can also be the result of an improperly sized pump, which can cause an imbalance of pressure, putting undue stress on the bearings and seals, turbulence, fluid velocity, deterioration of bearings, and erosion and corrosion.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is Muhammad Zahid Shazali. I want to present about the pump safety procedure and the tool. For the tool or equipment for the pump is toolbox, pump rod vise, chain support, handle axle punch, crank spanner, C wrench lifter, and bearing pressure tool. First, for the safety procedure is always read the owner manual. Second, always make sure all safety guards and shield are in place while operating water pump. Second, never run an overheated pump. And then
Never use a pump for fluid for which it was not installed or designed. Always keep your pump at least 3 feet away from the walls and the other equipment during operation. And then on engine driven pump, always be careful not to overfill the fuel tank. And next, if the pump is a gas pump, remember that it emits carbon monoxide as it runs. Number 8, never use a pump in a flammable or explosive environment. For the last one, keep your pump out of the reach of children or keep your children away from the pump. Thank you.
Okay, now the solution. The solution of problem for pump. Number 1, cavitation is most easily avoided during the design stage, ensuring the chosen pump will have sufficient NPSHA so that the liquid remains above vapor pressure. The NPSH will need to be calculated for each application, as vapor pressure is different for different liquids and varies with pressure and temperature. This can be used when selecting a pump, as manufacturers will be able to provide the net positive suction head required NPSHR for any of their pumps to match it with the specifications. Okay, for number 2 is cast iron is amongst the cheapest option for pumps. Material is often used for casings. It has good corrosion resistance to neutral and high pH liquids, making it a popular choice for a general purpose irrigation and mining pumps. However, it is not suitable for low pH applications, where it is more prone to corrosion. Stainless steel is one of the most commonly used material for pumps, as it has good corrosion resistance and in a wide range of environments where other carbon and low alloy steel would corrode. Under some circumstances, such as exposure to aqueous environments where chloride is present, pitting corrosion may occur on lower grades of stainless steel. However, this is not an issue for higher grades of stainless steels, which have a high level of corrosion resistance. Therefore, corrosion is most easily avoided when selecting a pump. Material selection will determine corrosion resistance in a particular application, as well as the pump's overall cost, including initial cost, maintenance, the replacement downtime, life cycle, and reliability. Alright, number 3 is wear rate can be slowed down by ensuring the pump size and materials are suitable for the applications, and regular maintenance is carried out to find and fix any problems before they result in unexpected downtime of pump failure. Thank you.